Sparky Sparks here. New hair, oh my goodness. This is called Watch Me Wow by Raquel Welch. And the color is stunning, right? With these little tipped ends. See that? The color is R29S, so the S would be shaded. Look at this, isn't this pretty? Let me show you the back. That coloring is phenomenal. And then you could wear the bangs kind of in your face if you like, or you can push them aside. Let's look at the part and the hairline. It's a really nice hairline, lace front. I've parted her here on the left. Watch me wow. Let's look inside. Okay, so inside we have a basic cap, so there's no parting space here. It's got lace front here so that you can, kind of move it off your forehead, and it's from about temple to temple. Now this doesn't have a monofilament top where you can part, anywhere that we've talked about in the past. So this is kind of a basic cap. It's open wefted, and then it has the adjusters in the back that they're Velcro, so you can just undo them and put them back. Very comfortable. She just came out of the box. So this hasn't been styled. I haven't spent a lot of time on her or anything like that. So just a pretty, pretty color. Let's put her back on. Again, for my new wig wearers, look at how easy and how quick this is. We just put her forehead in. Now earlier, when I put her on, I thought I could make a part. So you can see that since there's not a sheer parting space, this is going to be, a little more messy, let's say. So not a defined part. Beautiful. Little tipped ends. I'm off to Thanksgiving dinner, and I like this look. It's kind of a long, what do we call it? A lob. So it's really nice. It's heat friendly. Again, by Raquel Welch, and the color is R29S. So usually the S means shaded. So you've got kind of a shaded root here. I'd love to know your thoughts. So it's, not really, I'm just wearing her right out of the box. I haven't messed with the part. I really don't have time to go spend a lot of time with working on her. And that's the beauty of wigs. You don't need to spend a lot of time fussing with it. You just throw it on and you are ready. So that's one of my favorite things about wigs. So again, Raquel Welch, watch me wow. Have a great day. Cheers.